When it comes to enhancing the overall look of your home, windows often take a backseat to landscaping or a fresh coat of paint. However, new windows can significantly boost your Glendale home's curb appeal while providing practical benefits like energy efficiency and increased property value. Here's how investing in new windows can transform the appearance of your home and make it stand out in the neighborhood. Modernize your home's aesthetic. Windows play a significant role in defining your home's style. Outdated, worn, or damaged windows can make even a well-maintained house look tired. Installing new windows allows you to refresh your home's appearance and choose styles that complement your architectural design. Traditional homes can benefit from classic double-hung windows with grids. Modern homes look stunning with sleek, large-pane windows or minimalist casement designs. Cottages or vintage-style homes pair well with wood frames or decorative glass details. With so many options available, you can find the perfect window style to give your home a fresh, contemporary look that suits Glendale's diverse architectural landscape. Increase natural light. New windows with larger panes or optimized designs can allow more natural light into your home, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Enhanced lighting not only improves your home's interior but also makes it more attractive from the outside. Well-lit interiors are noticeable through the windows, creating a welcoming glow that enhances curb appeal during the day and at night. Customize for color and frame design. Window frames are no longer limited to standard white or beige. Today's window manufacturers offer a variety of colors, materials, and finishes to match your home's exterior. For instance, vinyl frames are available in bold colors and require minimal maintenance. Wood frames offer a classic look that can be painted or stained to fit your desired color palette. Aluminum or fiberglass frames provide a sleek, modern appearance and superior durability. The right choice of frame material and color can highlight your home's architectural features and blend seamlessly with its overall design. Improve energy efficiency. While curb appeal is largely about aesthetics, energy-efficient windows can indirectly enhance your home's exterior. Modern, energy-efficient windows often feature double or triple pane glass and advanced coatings that reduce glare and UV damage to your furnishings. By keeping your home comfortable, these windows allow you to reduce reliance on curtains or blinds for temperature control, showcasing their beauty from both inside and out. In Glendale's sunny climate, energy-efficient windows are not only practical but also a selling point that adds value to your home. Add unique architectural details. New windows can introduce architectural elements that elevate your home's exterior. Options like bay or bow windows add depth and dimension, creating visual interest. Specialty shapes such as arched or circular windows can provide a unique touch that sets your home apart from others in the neighborhood. Adding these custom elements can turn a plain exterior into a standout property, catching the eye of passers-by and potential buyers alike. Enhance home value. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it also affects your home's resale value. According to real estate experts, homes with attractive, modern windows often sell faster and at higher prices. Potential buyers are drawn to homes that appear well-maintained and energy efficient, and new windows tick both boxes. For Glendale homeowners considering selling in the future, window replacement is a worthwhile investment that boosts your home's marketability. Low maintenance for lasting beauty. Many new window designs prioritize low-maintenance materials, ensuring your home's exterior remains beautiful with minimal upkeep. Vinyl and fiberglass windows resist weathering, warping, and fading, making them ideal for Glendale's sunny and occasionally rainy climate. With less effort needed to maintain your windows, your home will look clean and fresh for years to come, further enhancing its curb appeal. Complement landscaping and exterior features. New windows can help tie together your home's exterior with its landscaping and other design elements. For example, picture windows with unobstructed views can frame your garden or outdoor space, creating a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. Matching window frames to your door or trim color can also create a cohesive, polished look. Conclusion: new windows are a powerful yet often overlooked way to enhance your Glendale home's curb appeal. From modernizing your aesthetic to increasing natural light and boosting energy efficiency, the benefits of window replacement go beyond appearances. They add value to your home, improve comfort, and create a welcoming atmosphere that makes your house stand out in the neighborhood. If you're ready to elevate your home's exterior, consult with a professional window installer in Glendale to explore the many styles and options available. With the right windows, you can transform your house into a stunning, energy-efficient showpiece that enhances both beauty and functionality.